Listen to My Trumpet by Willems. This book is from my special brother Max. Have a happy birthday. Gerald! Sit. Do not move. I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet? Yes, please. Here I go. Blurk. Wait, that was not right. Not right at all. Blap, frip, brip, frip. That is better. Better? Drink. Clack, gulp. Drump. Yikes. Grick. That is not music. Spack, drack, twack, skack, prack, glack. Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold. And now the big finish. Blap, zap, blap, blonk, grack, slark, smark, glork, glork, blark. Finished. So, what did you think of my trumpet? Your trumpet is, yes? Go on. Your trumpet is loud. And your trumpet is shiny. And you hold your trumpet very well. And I'm waiting. Piggy, you are my friend, and I'm your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud and shiny, and you hold it well. But that was not music. Sorry. Gerald, you think I am trying to make music? I am trying to speak elephant. I want to sound just like you. Oh, but Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you. Yay! Try more ick in your grick. The end. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Have a nice day.